friend of mine owns CNC DIY Factory. She made these super cute little ghost kits that I had to try. You get your choice of glasses, and you get a little pair of eyes, and you get a stand and 3 ghosts, along with instructions and a napkin to decoupage your ghost. Well, I just dived in and didn't bother to read the instructions. It's like, I know how to decoupage. I don't need these, just set them to the side and got to work. Well, the intentional instructions for this project have you gluing all 3 ghosts together to create one nice thick one that'll practically stand on its own. But I saw it as 3 separate ghosts, and so I just dove in and made myself 3 separate ghosts. So you can see here I have coated all the ghosts with a white paint. The white paint just helps the napkin that you're going to decoupage on be brighter colors. Because if I was going to put this on the brown MDF that they were, it would be, you'd see that brown through the napkin because it becomes transparent. You can see through it. So you're going to be able to see whatever color you use underneath your napkin when you decoupage. Keep that in mind. These projects that she has at CNC DIY Factory are super easy. Read the instructions. But you can also go willy-nilly like I did and come up with something a little different. Maybe an unintended use for her little kits that she has in her booth. She is my booth neighbor at Merchant Square in Independence off of 39th Street. I am booth 182, so she's booth 184. In booth 180, next door to my other booth, you'll find the DIY paint, the StazOn ink, the IOD stamps, everything else that I used on my ghosts, you'll find in booth 180. At Merchant Square in Independence on 39th Street, right next door to Target. You'll also find all those products in my storefront, Ugly Glass & Company in the West Bottoms, 1285 Hickory Street. We'll see you guys later. Have fun crafting.